Hello, how you doing? So we've got some chicken on the go today. We've got coriander garlic chicken, just pan fried, really simple, on a bed of beautiful lentils. Really easy, delicious, kind of Middle Easternish vibe, I suppose. Welcome back to How to Cook Right. So let's get these lentils together. So I've got these brown lentils here, cooked them. What I've done is I soaked them for about 4 or 5 hours and I just cooked them for 30 minutes. You can put salt in the water if you want, I didn't. 3 cups, 2 cups of onions, 1 cup of tomato, tablespoon of garlic, and 2 teaspoons of cumin. Let's get moving. So I'm using corn oil, but you can change the oil to something else if you want. I've got about 3 tablespoons there. We're going to drop in the couple of cups of onion, the garlic, and I'm going to add some salt and pepper. We're on an above medium heat and we're going to go for about 4 minutes or so. Very simple. Next up, we're going to drop in that 1 cup of tomato, the couple of teaspoons of cumin, and we're going to go for about another 4 or 5 minutes. Let those tomatoes kind of break down a little bit. And then simply we're going to add in our cooked, or 3 cups of cooked brown lentils, and stir in pretty much all the time now. We're going to go for about 3 minutes. Very, very simple, beautiful, easy lentils here for our chicken. Really fabulous. Off goes the heat. I'm now going to add 1 cup here of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. In it goes. We can set this aside, we can move on. Okay, so I've got some oil in there, a couple of tablespoons. This is corn oil, but change the oil if you want. Here's our chicken. Let's get it in. Now we're on a medium heat, or just slightly above a medium heat. Now I've got chicken there with bone and skin. That's 1 kg chicken, that's 2.2 pounds. So just in the oil, let's just cook it for about 5 or 6 minutes. Then we'll start adding a few bits. Okay, so you can see that chicken's coming along nicely. We're now going to add salt. Black pepper, about a tablespoon of garlic, and a tablespoon of coriander powder. What I've done with that was a seed and I ground it up. It's much, much nicer than you buy it just in a packet already ground. We're going to continue cooking now for about another 5 or 6 minutes, stirring often. I might turn the heat down a little bit, I think. Really simple chicken. Okay, off goes the heat, job done. Beautiful garlic coriander chicken there. And then what I've done is serve that chicken on top of those lentils. That's a beautiful dish. Stick that in the middle of the table, maybe a bit of salad or something. Fantastic, hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, see you soon, lots of love.
Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon, you can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very, very cheap, 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that, it helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.